वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar is by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at tongue 676 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. तनाश्री महल्ला पंजवा. फिरत फिरत पेटे जन साधु पूरे गुर समझाया, which means wandering and roaming around, I met the holy, perfect Guru who has taught me. So, what Guru has taught me? Guruji further says, Aan sagal bid kaam na aave, har har naam te aaya, which means all the devices did not work. So, I meditate on the name of the Lord har har. Then what happens? Guruji says, Tate mohe tari ot Gopal. For this reason I sought the protection and support of my Lord, the cherisher of the universe. So Guruji further says now, Saran pareo puran paramesar bin se sagal janjal rahav, which means I sought the sanctuary of the perfect, transcendent Lord, and all my entanglements were dissolved. So, in simple words, we keep running from one solution to another, from one doctor to another for health, from one coach to another for career, one person to another for love. Yet peace doesn't stay. So, Guru Arjan Dev Ji says, stop wandering, sit and remember. When you remember what truly matters, your direction becomes clear. I repeat, when you remember what truly matters, your direction becomes clear. Think of life like mathematics. When you add the right things, honesty, gratitude, good habits, your total grows. When you subtract anger, comparison, overthinking, your burden reduces. When you divide your time wisely between work, family, self-care, balance comes. And when you multiply remembrance of the divine, joy expands. This Hukamnama is the formula for balanced living. Meditating on the divine doesn't mean sitting for hours. It means remembering truth in every situation. So what's the truth? When your body feels tired, remember, the body is sacred. Take care of it. When your mind feels restless, remember, not every thought deserves your energy. When relationship feels heavy, remember, peace grows when ego reduces. When career feels stuck, remember, the work you do sincerely never goes waste. The moment we stop trying to control everything and align our actions with truth, I repeat, and align our actions with truth, things start settling. Problems don't disappear, but our confusion does. There was a young man, one of my clients, who kept changing jobs every 6 months. He said, nothing feels right for me. One day he simply started writing one line, Vaheguru guide me. In 3 months, he didn't find a new job. He found stability in his old job because his mind stopped wandering. This is how remembrance works. It clears fog inside us. So here is one small assignment for you to do. For the next 3 days, every morning and night, write one sentence. Where am I still wandering? It could be in your thoughts, in your relationships, your diet, your career, or your emotions. Then below it write, now I remember what truly matters. So do this twice a day, morning and night. This will slowly align your choices with peace. So what's the benefit of doing this assignment? You'll notice your decisions become clearer. Your mind will stop overthinking over small issues. You will find natural rhythm in health, relationships, and work. You'll stop feeling scattered and start feeling centered. So today's Hukamnama by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji reminds us peace doesn't come from running, it comes from remembering. When we take shelter in truth, what happens? Life starts balancing itself, just like a perfect equation. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, Sarbatta Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.